An innovative finance ISA, or IF ISA, is a lesser known form of tax-free savings account that allows you to invest in peer-to-peer lending or other forms of debt-based securities. In exchange, you can potentially earn higher interest rates than you would with a cash or stocks and shares ISA. When you open an IF ISA, you're essentially becoming a lender. You're lending your money through platforms that connect you to individuals or businesses seeking loans. These borrowers could be looking for personal loans, business loans, or property development funding. In return for lending your money, you'll earn interest, and just like any other ISA, that interest is tax-free. One of the key advantages of an IF ISA is the potential for higher returns. They tend to offer interest rates between 5 and 10%, which can be much higher than a typical cash ISA. While the potential for higher returns is attractive, it's important to understand the risks associated. Unlike a traditional savings account, the money isn't protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. This means if the lending platform or borrower fails, you may lose your investment, and there's no guarantee of compensation. With peer-to-peer lending, there's always the chance that the person or business you lend to could default on their own. Some platforms mitigate this risk by offering reserve funds, but the risk is still present. Your money also isn't as easily accessible as with a cash ISA. Depending on the terms of the loan, you might have to wait months or even years to get your money back, and selling your loans early could incur additional fees. So, is an IF ISA right for you? Well, if you're comfortable with taking on more risk and understand how peer-to-peer lending works, it can offer higher potential returns than other types of ISAs. It can be a good way to diversify your investments across different types of loans. Since some of those loans have longer repayment periods, an IF ISA is better suited to those who can comfortably lock their money away for the medium to long term, rather than those needing immediate access to their savings. Just remember, innovative finance ISAs are not as safe as traditional cash ISAs, so make sure you understand the platform you're using and the risks involved before committing. Thanks for watching.